So, I'm commonly asked what I learned working at Apple and Netflix and all those types of companies. But the reality of it is, it's not so much what I learned, it's how I ended up at those companies. It started off with trying to figure out what are the core attributes that I thought I needed to develop to be an expert at what I did. The best way to figure that out was to look at some of these really large-scale companies that do it better than anyone else in the world and actually go to those places and acquire those skills. And then the skills were based on a curated list of the things I thought really great people did. And so what does a really great person look like? It's very simple. It's the people that you read about, right? The people that they make movies about, the people that are in the history books. Now, I wanted to know how these amazing business leaders and entertainment leaders and culture changers operated. And when you start to look at their skill sets, it just so happened that there were a lot of companies, if I curated my career properly, could specifically give me the types of skills that I needed to be excellent across the board and hopefully one day be one of those people who ends up in the history books.